Hello, and welcome to the EIE cycle titled Integrated Computer Science, Lesson 3. By engaging in this cycle, you will learn how to introduce criteria and constraints in the context of a worked example. Congratulations on your progress so far, which could have included frustrations as well as moments of discovery for you and your learners. In the previous lessons, learners have practiced using a digital tool. They have cultivated habits of mind like collaboration and persistence. They have asked questions and imagined possible solutions as they solved problems through the engineering design process. Learners have also built computational thinking skills like decomposing problems. Your learners are almost ready for a final design challenge. One more step will give them the preparation they need before you set them free. This cycle will introduce you to a scaffolded approach that prepares your learners for the open-ended design challenge. Next up, you will spend time working through the Reflect section of this cycle, where you will explore all aspects of Lesson 3, both as the educator and as a learner. Don't forget to check out the Other Resources section below for even more information and support. Be sure to allow this video to reach the end before moving on to the Reflect section of this cycle. Have fun exploring Lesson 3.